Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Hanuna. You can call me Chacha. My student number is 63240387 and I'm from Bina Sarana Informatika University, Tegal. Today I would love to elaborate to you guys what is computers and what's inside the computers. So let's get started to the first material. What is a computer? A computer is a machine or device that performs processes, calculations, and operations based on instructions provided by software or hardware programs. It has the ability to accept data, process it, and then produce outputs. Modern computers are electronic devices used for various purposes, including browsing the web, writing documents, editing videos, creating applications, and playing video games. The role of computers in daily life. Computers come in many shapes and sizes, performing different functions in our daily life. They are integral in workplaces, homes, and educational institutions. Tasks such as communication, entertainment, education, and productivity heavily rely on computers. What is the function of computers? The computers can accept data from various input devices, and then computers can perform computations and logical operations. The computers can save data too and instructions for future use. Computers can deliver processed information through output devices, and then computers can direct the manner and sequence in which all of the above operations are carried out. If you guys are wondering, are there only laptops and PCs as computer types? The answer is no. The types of computers is a lot more than that. Based on the size, there are personal computer or PC, or we also familiar on that, and then server computer, workstation, mainframe, supercomputer. Based on data processing method, there are analog computers, digital computer, and hybrid computers. The other types, desktop computers and laptop, we also familiar on that, and then hybrid computers, ultrabook, netbook, all-in-one PC, and mini PC. Here we go, the second material, inside the computer. So what's inside the computer? A computer comprises four primary or main components that work together to perform operations. There are ALU, CU, memory unit, and I/O unit or input-output unit. So what are they? So ALU or arithmetic logic unit. This unit performs all arithmetic and logical operations. It handles tasks like addition, subtraction, and logical comparisons. For example, it's determining if one value is greater than another. The second one is control unit or CU. The CU directs the operation of the processor. It tells the computers, memory ALU, and input-output devices how to respond to the instructions received. Essentially, it acts as the brain within the brain, orchestrating the activities of all other components. The third one, memory unit. This component stores data and instructions that the computer needs to function. It can be thought of as the computer's workspace where information is held temporarily for quick access. The fourth one is input-output unit or I/O unit. This unit manages the communication between the computer and the external environment. It handles the input devices like keyboards and mouse, and output devices like monitors and printers, facilitating the exchange of information. In a computer, there is also something called memory and CPU. There are two types of memory, namely RAM and ROM. So, RAM stands for Random Access Memory. RAM can read or write memory volatile data is lost when power is off. The second, ROM, stands for read-only memory. ROM is a permanent memory. Data cannot be changed. And then how memory is measured. Here are several memory sizes from smallest to largest, namely bits, bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, and gigabytes. The next one is CPU, or we can call Central Processing Unit. CPU is the brain of the computer. It can execute instructions and performs calculation. The speed of CPU is measured in MHz or GHz. The next one, storage device. Data storage devices are divided into two devices, namely hard disk and flash disk. The hard disk is one of the high capacity for saving data. Fast speed measured in average access time, stores operating system and files. So the flash disk one is more way portable than hard disk, used for saving and carrying data. For the notes for everyone, storage is essential for retaining data and programs. Hard disk capacity ranges up to thousands of gigabytes. From the various discussion we have, we can draw conclusions. Computers are versatile electronic devices capable of processing data and performing a wide range of tasks. At their core, they consist of several key components. They are LLU, control unit, memory unit, and input-output devices. Understanding these components provides insight into how computers function and interact with the world. Yep, I think that's all I can do for the midterm exam project. I would like to thank Miss Puspa as the lecturer in charge of English course. I apologize if there are any mistakes. Thank you so much. My name is Hanuna. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.